welcome to another lesson with Spanish Profesora. ¿Cómo estáis todos? Estoy bien aquí. Vale, so in today's lesson we all are going to do one of the most important basic verb, that is ser verb. Verbo ser. Okay. So for doing this verb, I will explain you first that what is this verb. Point 1. Ser is irregular verb. Ser is irregular verb. Now what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are those verbs which follow different conjugations. So ser verb is one of the example of irregular verb. Ser verb follows different 6 conjugations. Okay. So the another point is ser is a verb that is used to express qualities or characteristics of someone or something that are not expected to change in the future. Okay, so this point basically means that the characteristic or a quality of someone or something that remains permanent. So, for using this verb, you have to keep 2 things in the mind. That first thing, ser is a irregular verb, and we use ser verb for explaining or for defining the permanent characteristics of someone or something. Now the third point is, if you want to learn this verb, you have to keep one single word in your mind. That is doctor. 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 Okay. Now, T stands for description. Description, that is descripción. O, occupation. Occupation, that is ocupación or profesión. C, characteristics. Characteristics, that is característica. Característica. T, time. T is time. Tiempo. Tiempo. Okay. O stands for origin. 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 Nationalities. And R is relation. That is relación. Relationship. So with all of these points, we use ser verb. Ser verb. Clear? Now we will do translation of ser verb. We will relate it with English and form sentences, basic sentences in Spanish. Okay, while using the same word, that is doctor. Now, the first example is, I am tall. Tall is a description. So, yo soy alto, alta. Again, depends on the masculino and femenino. Okay. You are student. You are student. Tú eres estudiante. Tú eres estudiante. Estudiante is occupation or profession. Okay. He is active. Active is a characteristic. So él es activo. Activo. We are beautiful. We are beautiful. Nosotras somos bonitas. Nosotras somos bonitas. Now coming to the nationality, you all are Indians. You all are Indians. Vosotros sois indios. Vosotros sois indios. They are best friends. They are best friends. Best friends comes in the relation, that is relación in Espanol. Ellos son mejor amigos. Ellos son mejor amigos. So it was all about the ser verb. I had given you some of the common phrases that each one of you must know while using this ser verb. And if you have any query, you can drop me a message over the comments, and surely I would love to answer all of them. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thanks a lot.